Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Arjun bringing you a brand new video once again on our fifty to $10,000 Forex trading challenge. Um, Guys, we had another beautiful day trading. Let me pull up the MyFX book again. Hopefully, it has updated by now. As you guys know, yesterday we hit that $100 mark. And it was absolutely amazing. When was the last time this refreshed? 2 hours ago. Yeah, so it should be there. Boom. This is what the account is currently at. We've had a beautiful day trading, and we pushed the account up now up to 158. Right. So far, we've taken 68 trades on this account, and we have a 75% win rate. I went nuts on GBP JPY today, basically, and that's what created majority of our profits for the day. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I entered the trade, why I entered that trade, and I took GBP AUD as well. So during the Asian session, I ended up selling GBP AUD right around here somewhere. Kind of seeing these equal lows, expecting price to come down lower. So I made a little bit of here, like $3 or something, and then the rest of it basically got stopped out break even, I believe, as price wanted to actually continue to go higher. No worries, right? We caught that little Asian move. I'm cool with that. GBP JPY was the big money maker today, though. It's pretty simple. Based on ICT's high profitable scalping strategy, I think that's what it was called. I took the fib on the day, basically from the body to the high. Price came right around that 61 area, and I saw it was stalling at 135.7, which in his OTE videos he talks about basically these quarter levels basically based on quarter theory. And the 135.7 is, had become strong area of support here because of the fact that it was right near that 61.8 retracement level, and right inside of this nice little imbalance order block type situation going on. And then you can see price was accumulating as well. You can tell that by the double bottoms right here. Purged those, came back, created double bottoms again, purged that again, right? Pushed up, pulled back down, and shot up, right? So initially, I had placed a 0.05 here, and I was just gonna put my stop loss, all the way down there, and ride this straight out. But I ended up moving my stop loss to break even as this first giant push kind of happened, and then this move down stopped me out break even. But I'm like, wait, this thing is still going to go in that direction. So then I took another fib from here to here, right? Came into that 61.71 pocket, real nice. Took that entry, put the stop loss right in here. I ended up putting a 0.15 on this position, and I rode this thing all the way out to right around here, and then I took some partial profits, about 0.1 in profit, and then closed out my 0.05 right around that -2 area. Pretty much, I think, even a little bit above that -2. We know price can potentially continue to come above this high right here, and if the opportunity is available to potentially go long again on GBP JPY tomorrow, probably end up doing that for price to most likely take out that nice double top right up there. I could have just held the trade, but I said, what the heck, right? We had a really good day, right? As you can see, literally in the past 4 or 5 days, we've taken from less than $20 up to almost 160. So that's been absolutely nuts. And like I talked about, my goal, I believe, in yesterday's video is to get somewhere around here for the by the end of the week, which is obviously super doable. Really, I think I could do that probably either tomorrow or Friday. Today Today, honestly, I probably could have taken the GBP USD trade as well, if I was looking at it, because we had a similar scenario kind of play out on GU. But I was a little bit wary of the FOMC news coming in and everything. But I predict right now that GBP USD is going to make a push up and create the high of this week around 1.30200, and then fall back down for about 50 to 100 pips. So I actually have a sell limit placed right here at 1.30200 with about a 20 pip stop loss, and I'm expecting price to drop from that area, just because there's a lot of confluence factors with that -2 of this fib right here, and kind of like an imbalance fill at that area 1.30200. So it'll be really nice to see how this plays out. I didn't risk super hard on it because I just put in a pending order, and obviously it's not right now it's not technically the time to be trading this, but with FOMC and stuff like that, you can expect sometimes the market to move when obviously when these major news events are happening and such. So I'm expecting this push to happen, melt back down, and then retrace, at least back down into maybe here or here, and then if this is the high of the week, and we just start chilling Thursday, Friday, and then next week we just kind of melt back down. I think that's totally a possibility. We just have to wait and see for that, but I'm pretty confident in a quick push up and a nice little drop here for maybe 50 to 100 pips on GU happening today. Pretty much not really going to trade GA, I think, anymore. I will, I guess, sometimes when there's news or something like that can kind of help it, or if I want to trade Asian, I see something going on in Asian session. But besides that, I don't really care too much for it, because as you guys can see, our win rate on GU and GJ is absolutely nuts, right? Absolutely nuts. Very profitable very profitable pairs for me to trade. Bitcoin as well right now, also in the the upward side of 80% win rate. Barely losing trades, and some of these losing trades on GJ, that's because the break-even price didn't get filled at break-even, so I ended up having a little bit of a loss. So honestly, I think my win rate's a little bit higher than this, maybe even close to, maybe almost 100%, but not there, probably like 90, 99, something like that. And that's just for now, right? Obviously, past profits don't guarantee future results. The strategy is going to work, but obviously there are more mechanics to it that you guys got to keep learning and implementing and practicing. I've been trading basically the same strategy for almost 2 whole months now, and I've been seeing a lot of success with with just sticking to the same style and doing the same thing over and over and over again, basically. But sometimes I'll trade London, sometimes I'll trade New York, just kind of waiting for how the markets play out that day. But usually there is a trade almost every day in either the London or New York, or sometimes even both. So that's pretty cool to play with. But that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, please like, comment, subscribe, and continue on with me to this journey, right? Our goal is to get to right around here by the end of August. If we can do so, I think we'll be in a very good position to hit the numbers that I'm trying to hit for probably, and then we can probably knock out the next five grand pretty quickly. I think we could hit that maybe within, I don't know, a month's maybe less than a month's time after completing the first 5. I will probably end up making a withdrawal at, I think I said maybe the first one around 1,000. I'm not sure how I want to do that yet. Maybe 1,000, maybe 25, maybe I'll just wait for the full 5 to make like a full $1,000 withdrawal or something like that. But yeah, that's the goal. Kind of keep building up this account and see what we can do, see how far I can go. It's probably the longest I've stood compounding an account for a while. So yeah, usually I end up, when I have insanely profitable weeks, I go ahead and pull some out and just keep trading then. But I don't really want to do that this time, because the account is such a small figure in the grand scheme of things. I just want to keep compounding it and see how far I can take this compound. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. As always, if you guys want to learn more about the strategy and stuff like that, I'll link ICT's stuff in the description. This is his YouTube channel. Go check him out. Go watch all these videos. You're gonna have a blast. There's a whole bunch of stuff to learn. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.